Hector here, global artist for Fenty Beauty, and today I'm with the beautiful Michelle, and I'm going to be teaching you how to apply our STALK'R Instant Warmth Bronzer on a deeper skin. So Michelle, tell me, do you use bronzer?
No, I didn't know that was an option for me.
When you think about bronzer, it's not about making you look darker, it's about giving you that warmth into the skin. So we created this shade called MOCHA MAMI, and MOCHA MAMI was one of the hardest shades to create. We realized that when it came to your skin tone a little bit deeper, it was all about creating that redness. Turned out to be this was actually one of my favorite shades. I like to use it all over the face, even on the eyes. It's a very beautiful color, and it works for all skin tones. So you're already prepped with Pro Filter Foundation, the shade 450. So I'm gonna use the same color for your concealer. And I'm just doing just a T-zone. I'm gonna take my little sponge and I'm just bouncing that off. Do you wear concealer often or no?
Yeah, usually concealer is what I mostly use.
How do you like the Pro Filter Foundation?
Oh, it's beautiful. Really, really matches to my skin and it's like glowing. It's like perfect.
So I'm feeling good about the concealer. I'm gonna use my Instant Retouch powder in the shade NUTMEG. I'm just gonna take a setting powder brush, just tap that right where I apply my concealer. It's really just to lock in that product, eliminate any excess shine. So it's time to get to the nitty-gritty. Bronzer. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you look at yourself and tell me if you like that and what is the overall idea of bronzer for your skin tone. I'm dipping it in here into my bronzer brush. What I wanna do here is just lightly grab them cheeks, a little bit on the forehead, the tip of the nose. Look at that. See how cool?
Yeah, that's so
It's like
pretty.
a natural flush.
Yeah.
It's like that summer glow
Yeah,
without
like
having
fresh.
a glow. You're feeling yourself,
Yeah,
ain't you?
exactly.
All right, so let's do the other side. Again, this should look and feel very subtle and natural. A little bit on the forehead, décolleté, all that good jazz, shoulders. So I feel like that looks good now. So I'm gonna dive in using my tapered blending brush. Apply a little bit on your lids. Just blend that in there. I'm so excited, like this shade looks so beautiful on you. One of those shades that like, we finally have something that works.
Yeah.
All right, so now that we have done this nice warmth to your skin, we still need a little highlight, sis.
Right.
I'm gonna complete my look with some KILLAWATT. So this color we're gonna apply just on the high points of the face. And I'm using my taper blending brush, only because I want it to look very nice and natural. Don't forget your ears,
Yeah.
sis. It's very important.
I didn't even know you had to do that.
I mean, because the thing is they expose, so they need a little love.
right.
I'm gonna pop a little bit just in the center of the eyes. Really blend that in there. You're gonna take a smaller brush and just enhancing your tear duct. And then finishing off with Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. It's a beautiful, soft, rosy, pinkish color. Ooh, you look like an entree.
Yes.
All right, so tell me what you think.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Like it?
I love how warm my face looks. It like brings out my red undertones.
How do you feel about using bronzer now?
I'm definitely gonna use it now.
Ow.
Because before I definitely did.
All right, like you can give me the mirror now. back,
Okay,
so
I
it's fine.
guess. I can take some selfies later.
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I did. Don't forget, if you want to learn more, follow us on Fenty Beauty, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave those comments. Till next time.